Malacanang dismissed former President Duterte's accusations against President Marcos Jr., including claims of martial law and gold reserve sales, as baseless. They questioned the evidence behind Duterte's allegations, emphasizing that such transactions are managed by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. The palace also refuted Duterte's comments on the drug campaign, pointing to his son, Mayor Baste Duterte, as the current leader in Davao City. Malacanang vowed to address fake news seriously and challenged Duterte to present proof for his claims.
Kung Davao City pinag-uusapan natin, sino ba ang mayor ng Davao City? Hindi ba yung anak niya? Si Mayor Baste Duterte. So, ang ibig bang sabihin nun, napaka-inefficient ng anak niya? At least ngayon may record kung may namamatay. Nung panahon niya, merong bang nare-record? Doon sa mga biglang nawawalang